Now, let us use the subqueries in the DML statements such as insert, update, and delete. Select star from tab 1. Select star from tab 2. I'm going to create a copy of those tables. Create table sub tab 1 as select star from tab 1. Create table sub tab 2 as select star from tab 2. Let us verify the data. Select star from sub tab 1. Select star from sub tab 2. Now I am going to insert rows into sub tab 1 by reading from sub tab 2. Insert into sub tab 1, call 1, call 2. Select call 3, call 4 from sub tab 2. It inserted 3 rows. Let me commit it. Verify. Select star from tab 1. I see the rows from tab 2 inserted into it. Now select max, call 3 from sub tab 2. The answer is 4. I'm going to update every value of call 1 in sub tab 1 with the maximum value from sub tab 2. So I'm going to use this subquery in update statement. The previous one was an example of using a subquery in the insert statement. Update sub tab 1 set call 1 equals to select max call 3 from sub tab 2. 5 rows updated. Commit. Verify. Everything is 4. Now select call 4 from sub tab 2. DEF. Now I am going to delete from sub tab 1 where column 2 is in. Select call 4 from sub tab 2. So this is an example of using a subquery in the delete statement. 3 rows deleted. Commit. Select star from sub tab 1. Okay. Thank you for watching.